We are at the crossroads of innovation. As we turn a new page in history, we look forward to a brighter future that is paved by creativity, perseverance, and innovation. Traveling the road to recovery, DOST Assured steers the country to a better tomorrow with 70 roadmaps for the industry, energy, and emerging technology sectors. These roadmaps serve as a guide as we put forward 348 science and technology-related initiatives that will produce new facilities, human resources, technologies, and policies. Of these initiatives, 117 are geared towards advancing the energy, disaster risk reduction, and climate change adaptation, transport, and unmanned vehicle system sectors. We will be supporting energy projects that enable us to forecast solar power resources, conduct modular desalination of sea brackish water, and hybrid offshore wind turbines. We are looking forward to the development of more accurate and precise early warning systems for multi-natural hazards and establish laboratories that will process big data from our various sensors. We have set our eyes on developing various hybrid vehicles in different modes and other innovative vessels to move goods and people. We are also exploring the potential of unmanned vehicle systems in its utilization in logistics, geohazards, rescue, and more. For the industry, we are rolling out 115 initiatives to spur growth in the creative sector, halal and food safety innovation, the metals and engineering sector, mining and minerals, process, water environment, clean air, and solid waste management. In the creative industries, we look forward to creating a Shoe Artisan Academy as well as R&D facilities that will focus on resource, raw materials, and fabrication. We will also develop R&D programs on processing leather and sustainable packaging. On food safety, we are looking at empowering the countryside through food safety R&D hubs. We are also enhancing the government's halal program with the establishment of a halal knowledge center. For metals and engineering, we're looking at putting up a metal casting innovation center foundry for casting of large aluminum molds and treatment facilities for metal waste. On mining, we will be putting up an integrated iron-making facility, a niche center for marble research, and a model rehabilitation of a legacy mine. In terms of process sector, we will establish a testing facility for medical textiles and a core facility for non-woven fabrics. For the environment sector, we will develop programs on integrations in wastewater technologies as well as testing facilities on the biodegradability of plastics. Moving to human resource and institution development, we are bankrolling 47 S&T initiatives. We envision to build researches on cutting-edge fields like natural language processing, quantum computing, applied microbiology, and artificial intelligence. We will strengthen regional research institutions by making more funds available to our partners in the provinces as well as our Young Innovators program. We are also investing on 29 initiatives that ensure seamless technology transfer and commercialization. We will establish university knowledge and technology transfer offices that can provide services to its researchers like intellectual property protection, technology assessment, and marketing. We will empower more women-led social enterprises and come up with guidelines on venture and visa guidelines for startups. We will build S&T parks throughout the country and guide our technology business incubator managers in mentoring startups. Under emerging technologies, we have 13 initiatives that will cover artificial intelligence, robotics, ICT, quantum computing, advanced materials, additive manufacturing, nanotechnology, optics, electronics, space technology, smart cities, and Industry 4.0. We are looking at expanding the AI capabilities of our citizens, even to those who are not science graduates, putting up research laboratories on gaming and animation, and training blockchain developers for government applications. We are also putting up an R&D center on quantum computing, an electronics product inclusive innovation center, and a command data center in the pilot smart cities. We are also coming up with programs on futuristic innovations like supercapacitors, materials informatics, and fuel cells. To communicate effectively our gains, we are also venturing into science communication with 10 new initiatives. We intend to come up with a knowledge management system, an R&D center, a master's degree program, and a push for the enactment of a Science Communication Act. We will also be implementing 8 mechanisms for impact assessment. This will sharpen our capability in crafting strong policies and advocacies in making innovation work for the people. Looking forward, we call on the Filipino people to develop more and adopt technologies. We urge our researchers to strive to be bolder in their ideas, and we will be with you in turning these concepts into technological breakthroughs. We urge our partners in government to join us in generating policies that are backed by science and technology. Let us work hand in hand in crafting policy measures that are science-based and relevant to our people. We urge our scientists and engineers to continue engaging with us. Let us continue finding ways to provide solutions and opportunities for our citizens. Magandang araw pong muli sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat.